Did you know your kitchen holds the secret to a cleaner, greener home? Say goodbye to waste and toxic chemicals, because today we're turning leftover citrus peels into zero-waste magic. Stick around for game-changing hacks that'll transform how you clean and live sustainably. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living. If you love simple, eco-friendly tips for your home, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the art of repurposing citrus peels to create all-natural cleaners and more. Before we jump in, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Citrus peels are packed with natural oils and acids that cut through grease, eliminate odors, and disinfect surfaces. Plus, they smell amazing. And the best part? They're completely biodegradable, making them a perfect choice for zero-waste living. Why use citrus peels? Citrus peels are a natural degreaser. Citrus peels have antibacterial properties. Citrus peels are fresh, giving you an uplifting scent, and citrus peels are 100% biodegradable. Let's make a simple citrus cleaner that works wonders on countertops, sinks, and more. Steps 1. Collect leftover citrus peels, orange, lemon, lime, or grapefruit. 2. Add them to a clean glass jar. 3. Fill the jar with white vinegar until the peels are submerged. 4. Seal and let it infuse for 2 to 3 weeks. 5. Strain the liquid into a spray bottle, dilute with water, 1:1, and it's ready to use. See how easy that was? And the results are incredible. Fresh, clean, and chemical-free. But wait, there's more. Here are 5 bonus ways to use citrus peels. Hack 1. Garbage disposal freshener. Drop a few peels into your garbage disposal for instant freshness. Hack 2. Natural air freshener. Simmer citrus peels with water, cinnamon, and cloves for a cozy home scent. Hack 3. Pest repellent. Place dried citrus peels near windows or garden beds to keep pests away. By reusing citrus peels, you're reducing waste, cutting back on single-use plastics, and avoiding harmful chemicals in your home. It's a small step with a big impact for your health and the planet. Hack 4. Citrus peel infused vinegar. For a sparkling bathroom, add citrus peels to a jar of white vinegar and let it sit for 2 weeks. Strain the liquid into a spray bottle. This makes an excellent cleaner for soap scum, water stains, and mildew in bathrooms. Did you know that the natural acidity of vinegar, combined with the oils from the peels, breaks down grime while leaving a fresh citrusy scent? Hack 5. Citrus scented drawer. Fresheners dry citrus peels thoroughly, then tie them in small muslin or cotton sachets. Add a few drops of essential oil for an extra boost. Place these in drawers, closets, or even your car for a natural, long-lasting deodorizer. Did you know that the essential oils in citrus peels help deter moths and pests while keeping your space smelling fresh? Ready to give these zero-waste hacks a try? Let me know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your eco-conscious friends, and hit subscribe for more tips to create a greener, healthier home. See you next time.